IFSKATECO gon' fuck it up.
What's good, guys? You know, it's day 1 of quarantine. Day 2 of quarantine. Got this package at my door. It's kind of unfortunate because we wanted to use it, but might as well take the time to story tell. Let's see what it is. Alright, let's get right to it. So, story behind this was on Instagram. As I've unfollowed everybody, it brings me to actually look through everybody that engages with me. So if you like, if you comment, if you do anything with the story, when I see if you view something or like and you have a little red circle around your name, obviously that means that you're currently active in the story. I'll click it and see what's going on. So this box is now here all because of Carter is bad at skate. Had posted something in his story from a product that he was wearing. I tapped in with that company. Check the DM right here. And this is now at my door. So we got Anmly footwear. Saw it. They have a whole bunch of different designs. Look cool. They looked like they would do well in some video content, some cinematics. They'd also look well, obviously, since we've got Weasel in contest series and he keeps winning. What better way for a brand new product to be on someone that's winning? Great content. I also looked through their content. It doesn't look like many people are sending them creative skate clips or anything like that. So obviously another bucket that we check. They sent this for a price of whatever these cost per box. I didn't ask for anything for free here. That's the difference. I'd rather buy a few pairs for the squad, make some videos with it. We have to have shoes anyways. So let's put some videos together once this quarantine goes by, or maybe we'll just sneak outside and get some clips. But check it out. Damn. These are nice. So it's this classic black gum sole. Looks like they could take a beating. This is thick as shit. Good quality. Smells good. Damn, these are cushioned as hell too. You can't tell, but if you do get some, good cushion. Look like they take some impact. Obviously we'll go into more detail with cinematics. I'm doing this from inside the house, so the lighting's a little messed up, but overall from what I see, packaging's nice, quality looks good. We'll do a more in-depth review after we kind of skate and beat them up for a little bit, but look forward to seeing some more cinematics on these as we just push and grind with them. So that's pretty much it. We got 3 pairs. We might actually do a giveaway. If you're interested in that, comment in the comment section below. If you want to run the giveaway, we'll take all the answers, show it to Anmly and see if they're willing to like throw down. If not, I'll probably just fund it myself and, you know, just keep getting creative with this stuff. See you on the next video.